Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play. They ain't even seen me since my last, I ain't even posted. Y'all gonna see me on my last vacation, and then we're gonna pop out with this shoot. A really cute shoot. So just stay tuned, child.
Fabric if it ain't enough for you.
Okay.
Just so we can.
Looking away.
1, 2. I'm gonna let you see what you look like.
Okay.
1, 2. 1, 2.
I need some more poses, yeah.
Sit up for me and put that hand on the couch.
Okay. All the way up.
That be the only thing about couch poses. It ain't much
It's
you can
so
do on the couch.
hard.
Yeah. Sit up to the edge in the middle.
Okay.
And you sit up like this. Come to the very edge. So then. 1, 2. Like Charlotte said, she's so pretty. 2.
What you think?
Blink. 1, 2. Look up. Look in the mirror. Look at you. And eyes closed. Eyes closed. And look at me. I'm weak. Behind the scenes just be different. It look good in person. I mean,
when you get done.
Eyes closed. One more time. Yeah, I said.
Right.
It look good on you.
Yeah, I gotta do the top already.
Period. Yeah, when you said you do content, I was like, oh yeah.
Girl, yes. Yes. I just been taking time.
Got some shit for you to come and get. Woo! I see you doing well, baby. Oh, you pulling shit together, I can tell, baby. Is you single or what? I need a girl from the country. I need a girl from Kentucky. I need a shorty from Houston. I need a girl who gon' love me. I need a girl who gon' trust me. Someone to fuck, someone to make me feel loved. Someone that's so proud to be with me. She walk right up to her ex, look dead in the face and say, you ain't got the juice like that. You ain't got the juice like that. tell, baby? Is you single or what? I need a girl from the country. I need a girl from Kentucky. I need a shawty from Houston. I need a girl who gon' love me. I need a girl who gon' trust me. Someone to fuck